Bakit ni Mama?
May bone cancer po kasi si Ma'am Amelia.
Fix yourself, ha? You smell like alcohol.
Pag-ninang break sa super stress na mundo, hindi kailangan mag-worry, we're good. Pagdating sa cravings, we go, we move. Sa sarap ang Yumi pupunta.
I'm suspending you from Yumi! Exit immediately!
Please give my apo another chance. Kahit nanuhod pa ako sa'yo, please.
Miss Monica, change your mind. Alam ko naman gusto mo ako masuspend. Diba? Kwento mo yan eh, kung bida.
Ay! Jenny! What's the matter with you?
Jenny, anong ginawa mo kay Megan, ha? Ano?
Aray ko po, mama.
Sa bahay ka, ka.
Wala po akong ginawa sa kanya. Siya po yung sumugod sa akin at iniwas lang ako ni Nate.
Wala ako sa'yo.
Totoo po yun, Ma'am Amelia. Wala pong ginagawa si Jenny kay Megan.
Anak, are you okay? Ilahanin ka ba? Nasaktan ka ba, anak?
Yun o! Ate!
Ali!
Paring Perry!
Maraming salamat sa pagdalaw ninyo, ha?
Okay lang naman kami, pare. Alam mo, gusto ko naming dalawin. Kaya lang, sabi ni Maring Minchi, baka bad mood ka daw.
Uy, nang-iintriga pa eh.
Oh, bakit?
Pasensya na, ha? Pasensya na sa inasal ko itong mga nakaraang araw. Alam niyo na.
Okay lang yun.
Okay lang yun.
Ayos lang.
Oh.
Ano nababalita?
Kami ni Lolong, okay lang naman kami. Ito siguro si Charis, okay lang to.
Okay lang.
Eto ang pasabog paring Terry. Nako, alam mo bang si Baste, umamin na dito sa tatay si Neba. Ha?
Taklesa ka talaga.
Kwento lang.
Dito na nga tayo. Halika na.
Halika. Sige, pare ha. Binabalita lang naman natin.
Di ba napag-usapan na natin? Keep Jenny closer. What happened?
I'm sorry, Mom. I just can't stand seeing her knowing na anak siya ni Dad sa iba.
I understand. But, Ma,
Megan, they told me the truth. It was you who started it.
Lola, hindi lang po ako nakapagpigil. Jenny was celebrating because she thought I was suspended.
Pero hindi mo siya dapat sinugod.
Kinakampihan niya naman ba siya, Lola?
Of course not. But you have to control yourself. Hindi yan ang paraan para maungusan mo siya. Don't be petty. I have to get this call.
Did you see that, Mom? Natataranta si Lola. May problem ba?
May bone cancer po kasi si Ma'am Amelia. Stage 3.
what? Your Lola.
Tanggap ko naman na wala na tayo sa dekada 80, dekada 90 para magtakwil ng mga anak na bakla. Pero natatakot kasi ako eh.
Natatakot ka saan?
Natatakot ako sa future ni Baste. Alam mo naman na hindi mabait ang mundo sa mga gaya niya. Paano kapag nasaktan siya? Paano kapag tumanda siya? Paano kapag hindi siya nakapagpamilya? Sino mag-aalaga sa kanya?
Huwag kang mag-alala, pare. Yung si Baste, hindi tatandang mag-isa yan. Yung anak ko, Jenny, sasamahan siya lagi. Pati yung magiging pamilya niya. Kahit kailan, hindi iiwan ni Jenny yung best friend niya.
Best friend lang talaga? Ang akala ko, magiging magbalai pa nga tayo eh.
Tay. Oh, dito na pala kayo. Ito yung mga pagkain.
Long, Pahingi namang beer dyan.
Ay, sino? Ako na. Oh,
Salamat.
okay.
O ikaw, matagal mo na bang alam?
Opo, Tito. Simula kinder pa po.
Salamat Hindi mo hinusgahan yung anak ko.
Si Jingjing po, tay. Siya po isa sa nagtanggol sa akin sa mga bashes. Parati niya pong sinasabi sa akin na huwag makinig sa sinasabi ng ibang tao.
Alam mo, tama naman siya Huwag ka makinig sa ibang tao. Gawin mo lang kung ano yung gusto mong gawin. Hindi kita pakikialamanan. Basta isa lang ipangako mo. Maging mabuti kang tao. Ikaw man si Baste o ikaw man si Basha. Mahal kita, anak.
Sana hindi mo na lang sinabi sa akin para hindi ako nasasaktan ng ganito.
She's just having some problems sa Tagaytay properties niya. Megan, makinig ka. What she said, keep it in mind. Control yourself. Hindi yung sugod ka ng sugod kay Jenny. Baka mamaya niyan, malaman ng mama. At magsumbong si Jenny, bibigyan mo lang sila ng rason para magkalapit ulit sila. At huwag nating hayaang mangyari yun. Because if it does, somewhere along the way, baka malaman ng mama na apo niya rin si Jenny. So please be smart. Pag-isipan mo mabuti ang lahat ng gagawin mo.
Pahiro ka pa kay Megan ang babaw-babaw lang naman ng pool.
Oo nga, sana hinayaan mo na malaki na yun
Nuna, Nancy. Tama na yan. Late, okay ka na ba?
Okay lang ako, Jenny. Ang mahalaga, hindi ka nasaktan. Pause na ako. Chat-chat na lang.
Chat na lang. Chat.
Uy, chat-chat. Bas. Chat-chat na lang.
Mama, siya nga pala. This Friday, pupunta ako ng Baguio. May get-together kami ng mga college friends ko. Overnight. Do you wanna come? I'll book a hotel for both of us.
No. Hindi na lang. Mapapagod lang ako sa biyahe.
Okay. Let's go.
Buti pa tong mga to. Patapos na mag-online class, ako magsisimula pa lang. Nya.
Where's Megan?
Nasa room po.
Mama Melia.
How much will it cost me para tigilan mo na ako? Oh, mahirap bang intindihin ang sinabi ko? Ano nga gusto mo para hindi ka lapit na lapit sa akin? Branded bags, designer clothes, money? Tell me!
Ma'am, huwag niyo naman ho sana akong insultuhin ng ganon. Gusto ko lang naman ho na magkaayos tayo
Sorry, I didn't mean to offend you. It's just that... Dana.
Lola?
Megan. Kumusta ka? Megan. Megan!
Uy! Megan, please, pakinggan mo naman ako.
Let go. Jenny! Jenny! Huwag mo nang habulin. Di worth it. Oo nga, boss. Anong pag-asa yan? Yang babaeng superhero nyo is my biggest rival here sa bootcamp. Siya yung sinasabi ko sa inyong kinaiinisan ko, Lola.
Ako ang dahilan kung bakit siya nakabalik dito sa bootcamp. Wala naman siya ginagawang masama.
Sa'yo! Kasi superhero siya sa paningin mo.
Hindi.
Siguro naman kakampihan mo na ako, no? Because the last time I checked, Lola, ako po yung apo nyo. Hindi si Jenny.
Yung problema namin kay Mincy, walang kinalaman sa issue nyo ni Jenny. Hindi kayo kasali.
No. Ayoko magpambati kay Jenny, Lola. Anong totoo?
Naanak ni Tio. Si Jenny.
Lola?
Megan.
Megan! Hoy, Megan! Kuya, wait lang ah. Hoy, Megan!
Tracy? Are you stalking me?
Ako? Stalker? Ang feeling mo naman, Megan?
Ganun. Sabihin mo
Hey!
kanina.
Hey! Hoy!
Mapigilan ang tingin sa'yo. Kahit saan ako, ikaw ang hanap ko. Parang may magic.
Whoa. Wait. Megan, kung gusto mo akong i-kiss, sabihin mo na. I'll give you my consent.
Excuse me? Ang kapal na mukha mo, no? Pati pa, JC, wag mo akong sinusundan. Stalker?
Stalker. For your information, I didn't even know na dito pala sa area na to. Nakatira ang may dinaanan lang ako sa kabilang village. So you want that kiss?
Kadiri.
Ikaw ang nakampas? Bakit ikaw ang nasaktan?
I hate you.
Missy. Naman eh. Megan! Megan, come on!
Where's Megan?
Gusto niya lang po magpalamig ng ulo, Miss Amelia.
Look what you've done. Gusto mo ba talagang mag-away kami ni Megan? Ha?
Mama Amelia, hindi po.
Eh, bakit ka na lapit sa akin? Pwede ba tigilan mo na ako? Antalan mo na rin si Megan?
Megan!
Will you stop following me?
Megan, what's the problem? Si Jenny pa rin ba?
Oo. Siya pa rin. Kaya pwede ba, JC? Papayaan mo na ako. Kasi ayoko muna siyang pag-usapan kahit ngayon. I want space and I want an escape.
Escape? I have an idea. Sumama ka na sa akin. I'll help you escape. Just trust me. Come on. Tara na. Come on. Trust me, okay? Sumama ka na sa akin. Promise.
JC?
Ako na bahala sa'yo. Come on. Can you trust me for what? Okay? Uy, careful. Careful with your head. Wait lang. Okay? Kuya, tara na. Ay. Ako na bahala sa'yo.
Nate.
Hi, Jenny.
Hello po.
Jenny,
Hello.
buti pinayagan ka.
Well, sa totoo, hindi talaga. Kasi hindi naman ako nagpaalam.
So, tumakas ka para sa akin?
Tuwa ka pa. Teka nga lang, tawagan ko si Ate Jing, nagigilty tuloy ako.
Actually, walang signal dito eh. Hindi mo sila makakontakt.
Okay, Nate. Let's go.
Shoot lang ako.
Sige, good luck.
Picture. Sun. Jenny, okay na yung smile?
Okay naman po. Para sa akin, parang masyado lang malaki yung ngiti mo. Parang sobrang saya mo.
Sobrang saya talaga.
Konti.
More eyes?
Yan.
Tayo ka naman.
Paano ko ba sasabihin? Paano mo ba mararamdaman? May pag-asa ba akong mapagbigyan? Sa dami ng taong dumaraan, ikaw.
Sir, tuloy na kami. Thank you again, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, ingat kayo. Bro, mauna na ako kasi may pa eh. Late night inuman yung brigada.
Sige, bro. Sorry ulit na natagalan tayo.
Oo nga eh. Dami mong gustong gawin eh. Ulit-ulit. Jenny, I'll go ahead.
Sige.
Bye.
Ingat po. Nick, una na rin ako
I was gonna ask sana if you could stay a bit longer. Magpapatulong na sana sa pagpili ng album cover ko.
Kaso,
Please.
sige na nga. Pero 30 minutes lang
Okay.
Kung kasi matawagan si Ate Jean, wala kasing signal dito eh. Mamaya nag-aalala na yun sa akin.
Thank you. Ito na.
Wow.
Okay. Be honest. Ano sa tingin mo dito yung pinaka-okay? Ito.
Eto. Yun yung gusto ko. Gwapo ka dyan.
Alam mo, sobrang special tong lugar to sa akin. Kasi dito kami dinadala ni Dad dati. Ang buhay pa siya. Anyways, tara, shake natin yung heart mo para kahit for a few minutes, you can escape your problems, your anger, your pain. Does that sound fun?
I don't know.
Okay, well, we're going.
Uy,
Three.
no. Gigi.
I got you. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, hold on.
Ito.
Yan. Actually, marami pa naman eh. Pero
Ito.
okay na yung isa. Oo, yung isa.
Ano nga yung sinasabi mo kanina? Yung tungkol kay Megan at Miss Amelia.
Ayun. Si Ma'am Amelia, galit pa rin sa akin. Tapos si Megan naman, akala niya okay kami. Hindi nagalit din siya sa lola niya. Selos ata.
So petty. Parang bata, no?
Sinabi mo pa. Hindi ko nga maintindihan eh. Wala naman ako inaagaw sa kanya. Tsaka, ba't ko agawin yung lola niya eh hindi rin naman ako gusto ni Ma'am Amelia. Hindi ko rin naintindihan kung bakit bumalik siya sa dati. Naging okay na rin naman kami. Naging friends pa nga, di ba?
Well, you know, ganyan talaga yung mga insecure. They're unpredictable.
Anyway, yun yung mga suggestions ko tsaka mga napili kong photos.
Thank you.
So ano?
Kasi, gwapo dito. Okay daw.
Oh! Oh, okay.
Okay yung smile dito. Okay. Yan. Okay.
Tapos na may mission ko dito. Kailangan ko nang umuwi.
Atid na kita.
Sige.
Hindi ko makahinga.
Ha? Ano nangyari sa'yo? Okay ka lang?
Ay, yung ininom ko kanina.
Wait! Wait, Nate! Wait, ano nangyayari sa'yo?
We're sorry. The number you have reached is not in service.
Ate, cannot be reached pa rin si Bossing.
My gosh.
Kahit nga po si Nate, hindi ko matawagan eh. Hindi ba dapat tapos na yung photoshoot na yun? Kanina pa nga yun. Si Megan din, hindi ko makontak. Baka nagbonding na yung dalawa sa bar na pinupuntahan ni Megan. Check mo.
Ay, naku.
Tatawagan ko si Bossing Minji, baka alam niya kung nasa amin.
Sige. Stress naman kayo eh.
Hello? Hindi pa umuwi. Wala siya rito. Wala bang may alam kung saan siya nagpunta?
Wala nga po eh. Pero tatawagan ko po si Baste. Baka magkasama lang naman sila.
Oo, sige. Tatawagan ka rin yung iba niyang kaibigan.
Sige po.
We're sorry. The number you
Can't
have
be reached din si Miss Dara.
Si Miss Amelia. Ako ang tatawag.
Sige, ate.
Sige.
Ako si Baste. Si Baste. Sino ba? Sumagot.
Hello, Ma'am Amelia. Opo, si Megan po ba? Umuwi na po dyan?
No, Megan is not here. Saan kaya siya nagpunta?
Wala po. Hindi nga po namin alam eh.
Doon sa bar na pinupuntahan niya, did you look for her there?
Opo, kanina pero wala din po doon.
Oh dear. Please find her. Find her.
Yes po, opo. Yes po.
Hello. Can I talk to General Bermudez?
Hello? Andiyan si Jenny? Wala rin. Asa ba yung batang yan?
Hoy, huwag mo naman sabihin nandito ka para makibalita kung tuluyan na nga nawawala si Megan. Ha?
Huwag mo nga akong paandaran, Amelia. Ang mundo hindi umiikot sa inyo lang.
Opo eh.
Nandito ako dahil hinahanap ko rin ang anak ko, nawawala si Jenny.
Hanapin mo mag-isa si Jenny. Hahanapin ko rin mag-isa si Megan, okay? Umpisa ako to kay Jing. Alam mo, naging pabaya itong babae ito eh. Sa mga bata, lalo na kay Megan.
Tumahimik ka nga. Imbes na awayin mo, pagalitan mo yung Jing na sinasabi mo, bakit hindi ipahanap yung mga bata? Ha? Sabihin sa mga pulis, magpatulong.
Kasalanan ito ng anak mo.
Bakit kasalanan ni Jenny? Bakit?
Ang kulit niya. Ako na nga lumalayo sa kanya. Lapit pa rin siya ng lapit sa akin.
Sandali. Yes. General Bermudez, salamat po at nag-return call kayo. Oo, pwede pong magpatulong kasi nga nawawala yung apo kong si Megan. Please, tulungan niyo po kung hanapin ang apo ko. Ano yun?
Pakisabi naman, hanapin din si Jenny ko. Pakisabi, hindi ko lang kasi makontak yung kakilala
Kausap ko
namin.
si General.
Oo, General. Wala kayong alam pa sa ngayon. Kaya nga ako nagpapatulong eh. Saan pa lang po ako pupunta? Yes, Megan. Oo.
Ano mo? Pakisabi naman, pati si Jenny ko. Nakikiusap naman ako.
Ano, pakialam ko sa anak mo. Di hanapin mo.
Thank you very much, General Bermudez. Bahala ka na. Hanapin mo si Megan.
Pakasama mo.
Ano?
Wala kang malasakit.
Bakit? Why should I care about your daughter? Eh, hindi ko mahanap si Megan eh.
Parang hindi naging mabuti sa'yo ang anak ko.
Oy! Kung naging mabuti sa akin, ang anak mo, nabayaran ko na. Baka nakakalimutan mo. Ha? Ako ang dahilan kung bakit siya nakabalik sa bootcamp. Ha? At natanggap sa Yumi at the expense of my apo. Alam mo, kung alam ko lang na anak mo si Jenny, nung paman, hindi ko na siya pinapasok sa buhay ko.
Hindi mo na siya kailangang papasukin. Dahil Dahil gustuhin mo man o hindi. Parte ang anak ko ng buhay mo.
What the hell are you talking about? Ha? Hindi ko matatanggap ang anak mo. Not then, not ever.
Hindi mo pwedeng ayawan ang sarili mong dugo. Amelia, hindi lang si Megan ang apo mo. Si Jenny. Apo mo, si Jenny. Dahil anak siya ni Dio.
Huwag ka mag-alala, Parin Terry. Ipagdadasal ka namin para maging successful ang operasyon mo.
Kayo nagpapalakas ang loob ko. Siyempre, pagkatapos ngayon, maririnig ko na kayo ulit.
Mabuti pa. Stick with me. Mas higher pa dyan ang bibigay ko.
I want you to experience at ma-receive lahat ng mga love na binibigay mo. If you just let me love you.
Sorry sa lahat ng nagawa kong mali sa inyo. Jenny, may gusto.
Ano yung sasabihin niyo, ma?
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy King Chopper once again, and today we're there for Okumagba Estate. And as I told you before, we're here to explore business around Okumagba Estate and make we ask them how business for this area, and we also share experience with them. May they teach us when they dey the street, we young ones, how they do them. Ladies and gentlemen, today I dey with Mirabel Collection. Mirabel Collection, nice to meet you. Abeg tell us, what be the things when you dey sell?
Okay, we deal on also kitchen utensils, also furniture, on like washing machines, and we do supply as well. We sell wholesale and retail.
Wow. Yes. So, how long you don dey sell this business?
For like 3 years now.
3 years. Now, if person wan start this business, if they go learn am first, abi if you get money, if you start, then the business go teach you as they go.
Yes.
You go.
You must not go for like any tutorship. You can start it by yourself.
Okay.
It's a self-taught business.
Alright. So, since you don't dey into this business, what will be the principle when you dey like teach when since the business they teach you? What will be the things when you don't learn for business? When we say you can't dey follow up, when come make you better.
That one. Okay. Sometimes based on the fact of the customers. I think the customers like every day they are coming, they are showing different characters. They're able to like help you learn the way different human beings behave, how to cope with them, those kind of stuff. So customers have anger issues, some are calm. It just depends. So it teaches you how to cope with people like that.
So how you take dey manage your money when we say you know they spend enter business money? Because many people, many of us now when be young ones, we know if we hold 100,000 before you know it don't finish. If we hold 50,000 before you know it don't finish. How you fit take the whole money and manage when we say you know they call the chop enter inside your business money?
For me, that's where discipline comes in. Discipline as a business person, you're supposed to be disciplined. Every time as you dey sell, you know me say you don't sell now, you carry your profit go shop. As you dey sell, wetin you sell, you go like if you sell am like 2 times, you carry am go, you comot your cost price, comot your profit, then you go dey return am. Na the business dey grow. But if you shop profit leave capital, na only that thing you just dey pay, you no go dey see wetin you dey do, the growth no go grow. So as you use profit take buy replace, that problem you go come dey see your turn ups. Na so.
All right, thank you very much. You hear that? So not be as you just make small sell, you don't chop. As you make small sell, you don't chop. You go dey wait till you go dey do the recycle. They sell, go market again, sell, go market again. Now so business say the. But if person won't start this kind of business now, okay, let's say when you start, like how much you take start?
I got it like 2.5 meters, that kind of level.
That kind. So like now, how much the business don't be now over 3 years?
Now we talk of 10 meters now, that kind of thing.
All right. So one of that small question when we say, I won't ask you when we say, many people now they look up to, or many are youth that they confused. Now, if let's say for example you not go into this business before, which other business you think say is good? Anybody can still go into?
Like as at now, I believe filling of gas is popular. I think apart from this one, working in those kind of places that it can really give a huge turn up.
The filling of gas?
Yes.
All right. What of for women? Which other one you suggest for women?
Women can also do that job. That job doesn't have a particular gender. Anybody can work on it. Being a literate person and illiterate, anybody can do it. It doesn't like need a particular knowledge on it.
All right. So Mirabel, hit me small. Lately in the street, people they confused between skill or education. Let's say, for example, they put education, they can't put skill, they can't put business. They say now only one you go pick. Which one you think say you go pick?
Personally, I will go for skills. I won't lie.
Okay, why you would like go for skill?
Because based on the economy of our country now, even you going to school as a student, you need skill to survive inside school.
Yes.
And when you acquire a skill, you can go into business. And your business gives you education. So from skill, you can get those both options.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
So you going to school, don't having a skill, don't having a business. Not everybody that has money now work with their certificate. Some girls they go, man, get that certificate, that kind of thing, just to have the certificate. But after school, they'll go back into business. So me, I personally feel that having a skill can give you those two turn-ups.
Alright. Nice one. So now, I want to ask you one small question again. Now, do you think as a woman, you're supposed to get your own business before you go into marriage? Or you not necessarily mean so you can go into marriage and from inside the marriage, you know, your husband will struggle to do business together?
Me, personally, I feel having a business going into marriage because I like being independent. Yes. Because you being an independent woman, it gives you that respect in your home. Not like you want to make your husband like go down, you want to do this on your husband, you want that on your husband. There are some things that you can turn up yourself. And that's one issue that causes issues in some marriage, young marriages. Because the boys don't want their wife to sit at home, they'll just be the one supporting. They want that 50-50 system. So as a lady, if you personally have your job, how much you are doing, I feel that respect will be there. Whereby you guys are contributing together, you can grow, and you can have a joint business apart from your private business you have.
Yeah. So now, do you believe in? Some persons say that one source of income, once you focus, it will take time, but it will take it to where you go. Others say one source of income not go work. Share your focus. What do you think? You think if you focus on one particular thing, you will actually get there?
A wise man doesn't put all his eggs in one basket.
Bakam, you don't answer them.
I said just stay there.
That's why you just stay there. All right, so I want to ask you. All right, one last. No, sir. Thank you, sir. All right. So one last question. When we see, I want to ask you. You understand? Okay. If somebody want to try reach you or want to buy any product from now, you understand? Yeah. Which number they fit to reach you?
Okay, my number is 0. Can I call the number for this?
Yeah, call the number.
Okay, 070 49 83 31 43. I'll go again. 070 49 83 31 43. You can also reach us on our WhatsApp. That's our WhatsApp number. Right. We sell wholesale and retail. In case you don't have enough money to start up, we can give for country price and so on. Yeah.
All right. So can you show us your store?
Yes, why not?
All right.
As you can see, this particular part of it, this is the place where we display only our blenders here, electric blenders. Why here for racks, your non-stick pot, your granite pot, any kind of pot that you want, marble. We're up to date. Anything you want, we're up to date. Like we they deliver for here. Then these are our glasses for your chefs, for parties, everything. We got you covered. Then your electric kettle, pressure cooker.
Okay, hold on. Yeah. Let me buy a kettle from you. Let me buy this from you. How much?
Okay, this particular one I'll give you for 13K.
13K?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any other one you recommend more better?
I recommend you for Miwi.
How much is Miwi?
Miwi, that Miwi steam iron, there's a price tag on it. Let me show you. Everything has tags. Yeah. This one is 20K for Miwi. This one is steam iron. It also has dry iron because they are the one currently leading electronics, and as a new product, things are efficient. Okay. This is the dry iron for 16K.
Okay. So what's the difference between this steam and dry iron?
Okay, the steam, this one whereby you add water manually.
Okay.
But for the steam, you can add water before using it, whereby it can give you steam, you can just spray on it. Instead of it to be put water for cup, they spray for your clothes. Yes. Yeah, so this one is actually smarter. All
right, my phone went off, so let me just sharply attend to you. So this place is for your kettle?
This one for electric irons.
Yeah.
Yes. Then if you see here, we have pressure cooker. We have everything to make your kitchen smart, work smarter. Not because they stress yourself, not be outside material. You can work smart. You can keep your husband in check.
Yes.
Like we've got you covered. Then for microwave, we have different brands. We sell new and fairly used for new one, like UK use.
Yeah.
For microwaves as well. But this one's a carton. But we have Boscon, Century, Quasar, iSense, the different types of iSense, soft touch and the manual. Then we also sell ovens. We sell
everything about
you
household.
Want. Your child just got admission, wants to go to school, come to Ringrabo. We give you also prizes, everything.
They happen for
Yes.
All right. Thank you very much. You hear her phone number. you did this video. If you do say come across the video, Mirabel is active. Mirabel says she dey updated. Come here, you dey for Okumagba Estate. Oh yeah, now see you.